What's up, everyone? Wesley here with Mountains Mushrooms and Mary Jane's Cultivar, and we're going to be doing a little shift on this channel. I actually just started my very first Patreon, so you can join that as well if you would like. It's patreon.com/MMM_303, and that will be where I release more of the exclusive content. From now on this channel, I will be going over the steps to go through these processes and showing you what I've done to create these things and going from there. But the Patreon will have more exclusive content that actually shows you how I do these things, kind of like the previous videos I've released on this channel, but it just gives me a way to be a little more motivated to release more content, and it also gives you guys an opportunity to request content specifically that you want, and I'll make videos based on that as well. So we're going to go from there, but as promised, today's video is going to be about making DIY liquid culture and ryeberry jars. So we're going to get right into it. Here we go. Alright, so some of the supplies you're going to need to make these DIY liquid culture jars and ryeberry jars are, of course, your 1 pint mason jars. You can go bigger if you'd like. They're just the size I like to use. You can find them pretty much at Walmart or any grocery store. And then you're going to want a drill in order to drill the holes for our self-healing injection ports and our micro pore patches so that we have fresh air exchange in there as well. And then here we just have some 4-inch sterilized needles that we will put into the self-injection ports after the liquid culture has grown so that it's easier to extract from the jars. And that is basically all you're going to need. Alright, so we're just going to get right into it. Some optional supplies also will be some paper towels and some rubbing alcohol, just to wipe down the lid a little bit, make sure there's no dust on there so that our micro pore filters will stick good and we won't have to worry about any contamination possibly getting into these. So we're going to just spray our paper towel a little bit, give it a little wipe, and then drill our holes. that can be used for either ryeberries or liquid cultures. There you go. And there you have it, YouTube. That's how you do DIY liquid culture jars and ryeberry jars. You can use them for both making your liquid cultures and then inoculating your ryeberries later down the road. If you want to watch the more detailed video of me actually talking to you step by step through the process, you can join my Patreon at patreon.com/MMM_303, and you'll get a little bit more exclusive content there. I will put the link in the description as well. But until then, this is Wesley with Mountains Mushrooms and Mary Jane's Cultivar. I hope you enjoy the journey, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.